Man who accidentally took the life of his friend to spend 3 years behind bars. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who accidentally killed his best friend and then fled the scene in a panic has been sentenced to 3 years in prison. A tearful Godfrey Nico Brown learned of his fate when he appeared before the St. James Circuit Court last week. He was represented by attorney at law Albert Morgan and Sharnika Jackson. On April 20, Brown pleaded not guilty to murder, guilty to manslaughter, and then guilty to illegal possession of a firearm. During the mitigation hearing last Thursday, his lawyer, Mr. Morgan, emphasizes Brown's attributes and antecedents, highlighted that the only aggravation factor was the possession of an illegal firearm, which ultimately led to the fatality. High Court Justice Judith Pusey subsequently sentenced Brown to 3 years and 5 months and 2 weeks in prison, and 2 years and 5 months and 2 weeks in prison on the charge of manslaughter. The sentences are to run concurrently, so he will end up serving the longer term. According to court documents, the shooting occurred on October 26, 2022. It is alleged that the 18-year-old Ricardo Gray of Cornell Court was on the road in front of his friend's house at the complex when Brown, who had a legal firearm, went outside to greet him. An explosion was heard. Brown was heard saying he never meant to shoot Gray, and then he fled the scene. The individual never realized that a bullet was in the barrel of the gun. Shortly after, Gray was seen lying on the ground with what appears to be a gunshot wound to the right side of his face. He was rushed to the Cornell Regional Hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Brown was later taken into custody by the police. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.